Because, sir, there is fear and anxiety in the minds of people pertaining to Walwanti and Bicholi River, causing flooding, especially during monsoon season, and people put into hardship. The Walwanti River is one of the important tributary originating from the Western Ghat mountains of Sattari and Bicholem Taluka. Faces numerous problems due to development activities like haphazard sand mining, use of explosive for killing fishes, washing of clothes, releasing of untreated sewage water, dumping of garbage, thus hampering the smooth and clear flow of water as this river joins Mandavi River after covering distance of 21 kilometers to Sarmanas Pilgaon. On many occasions during monsoon, the river was flooded and the villages at the bank of river, namely Karapur, Wathade, Vauti, Pilgaon, Kurchire and Bichulem, was completely flooded and government machinery along with the disaster management authority has to press to work on war footing to save the life of the people and protecting the houses. This is mainly due to the continued deposition and non-biodegradable substances found in the river. Therefore, there is urgent need to desalting of Valvanti and Bicholim River to avoid future disaster to the public. In the view of above, I hereby urge the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly look into this matter and desilt the river to prevent flooding in the future war, putting and clear fear and anxiety from the mind of people to save the life from flooding of the river. Speaker sir, माननीय मंत्र्यांनी ॲश्युरन्स दिवचे सर 7 वर्सां जाली हेजे डिसिल्टीक जावना स्पीकर सर.
ना तो नोटेड.
स्पीकर सर, WRD मिनिस्टर आहाय ना ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन जे आसा हे सी गेल्ले आसा म्हाज्या कडल्यान ह्या फावटी करून घेवपाक.